Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are making 4 ceramic vases or 4 terracotta vases using old plastic bottle or glass bottle. Here I am using 3 different techniques to achieve this. So for the first one, we are going to use baking soda along with acrylic paints. The proportions of acrylic paint and the baking soda are equal here. I am taking 2 drops of acrylic paint with the same quantity of baking soda along with a drop of water. As you can see, the consistency is very thick here and the crystals in the baking soda is giving a nice texture to it. After the first coat is dried, it is looking partially transparent. I believe that the acrylic paint is not so thick to give it an opaque look at the first coat. If you apply the second coat before the first one dries, then definitely it gets peeled off. So I would highly recommend you to dry the paint between each coats. The proportion and the quantity I have shown here is enough for applying 1 coat, and so I have prepared the same for applying 3 coats. I hope that you can witness the textured look we are gaining using only 2 ingredients, and it is totally giving us a terracotta look on a glass vase. Alright guys, we shall move on to the next method, which is using an acrylic paint with a talcum powder. We can use this method for creating a chalk paint look. This is definitely a cheap alternative for chalk paint. Although it is not as textured as the first one, it definitely gives a matte look at the end. Also, this particular combination is drying instantly, and so you don't have to wait for a long time between each coats. At the end of first coat, it is not as transparent as the first method, yet it is not a total opaque look. So the result will be better when we apply 2 to 3 coats on it. Also you guys, when you are applying the second coat, please make sure that the first coat is entirely dried. I am stressing this point again because even a small wet area on the first coat will be wiped off when you are applying the second coat, thereby the result will be patchy and not even. So with that, we are moving on to the third method, which is my favorite part, and I more often use this particular technique. I'll be using an exterior or interior wall paint, and I'll be mixing the acrylic paint along with it. So this is a perfect solution for painting both on plastic or on a glass item. Also it dries very quickly and you don't have to wait for days and days for the acrylic paint to dry. The main thing to be noted in this technique is that the end result will be a matte look, not a shiny acrylic look. So let's have a look at what I'm doing here. I'm applying 1 coat of the wall paint on the bottle first of all, and I'm not letting it dry. With the paint being wet, I'm applying the second coat, which is the mixture of the wall paint along with the acrylic paint. Thereby I'm trying to create a partially blending look with the different colors of each layer peeping through the top layer. I guess you can understand what I'm trying to say, but basically colors and strokes of each layer will be visible from the top layer. For the brush strokes, I'm making sure that I'm going on one direction throughout the process. So let's have a closer look on the texture of each vases. Once the paints are entirely dried, I'm going ahead and adding twine to the rim of the bottles. So you guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Please let me know if these techniques are useful for you. Also, if you are watching my video for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel because I post art and craft video every week. I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep supporting guys. Bye.